何それ
Aqualine! Hi! Yuri-kun! Nico Nico Ni! Alright guys and gals, this is your host, Urza7, and today we're doing a boxing of some anime Blu-rays I got from the mailbox. Alright. I've ordered from Japan. And it's a series called Link Click. It's weird. I've heard stories about the show, but now it's in Blu-ray, featuring two boyfriends and his waifu. So, 3 volumes, but about 11 episodes, I believe. It's all written in Moonspeak, but I'll go straight to unboxing it. For all conveniences. It's in going by it's about in 1080p, H.264 encoding, with both Japanese and Mandarin LPCM 2.0, and subtitles, I don't know yet. I think it might be subbed in Japanese subtitles, but I'll probably add the English subtitles later. So, let's get to it. Daijobu. Alright. Yep, featuring these characters, main character, dark hair, and white hair character. Supposedly it's about time travel. Alright. Right here, first things first, you got the 1080p Master Quality Blu-ray. Disc 1, episodes 1 to 2, and you got Disc 2 of the Master Quality Blu-ray of Disc 1, of Volume 1. It's episodes 2 to 4. All this scribbles from Aniplex, courtesy of Aniplex. So, that's the Blu-rays. So what the booklet has. Story. It's all written in Moonspeak, so camera is fluid. Got some quotes. Of course, you have Waifu Emma. Shouldn't be spoilers, but you know, you may never know. Some lesbian waifus. Come on, focus, damn it. Character designs. Of course, the 3 main characters. Main protagonist is on the left. Secondary, his boyfriend, and then his waifu. He's also the owner. More interviews. Opening theme song. ending theme song. Yep, and that's about it for the first volume. Let's put that one away. That one's good. Next up, it's Volume 2 of Link Click Season 1. Same as Volume 1. Same format. It's all master quality Blu-ray. Back artwork is the front art for Volume 2. I believe it's about 5 to 8 or so, but I'll check. I digress. Oh. First up, you got Disc 1 of Volume 2 of the Master Quality Blu-ray version, episodes 5 to 6. Next up, you got Disc 2 of Volume 2, episodes 7 to 8. Yep, that's about 4 episodes, 5 to 8. Let's see what this booklet has to say. Contents. More Moonspeak. It's all about time travel, just like Steins Gate. More interview. More artwork. Alright, that's about it for Volume 2 of Season 1 of Link Click. Of course, last but not least, Volume 3 of Season 1 of Link Click. This one's about episodes 9 to 11, I believe. Yep. And let's get straight to unboxing it, shall we? Lo and behold, the Blu-ray box. Pretty pricey for these Blu-rays. Well, whatever. This is well worth it. And of course, this one is disc 3 of volume 3. This one of volume 3, episodes 9 to 10 in master quality Blu-ray. And last but not least, this is disc 2 of volume 3 in episodes 11 to 12. In master quality Blu-ray. I wonder what the 12 one is. Oh, it's probably a special. Maybe some interviews. And that's about it. So let's get straight to the booklets, shall we? Fuck, stay focused, damn it. Oh, you got the other waifu, who nearly gets stabbed to death, I believe. Or gets poisoned to death. And then there's the landlady waifu. Yep, all the interviews, cast comments, main crew. All drinking boba. More Nendo artwork. And that's about it. So I'm trying to wrap it all back up again. All right. Back together. Let's reassemble this. Arrange this one incorrectly. Alright guys and gals, that's about it for the unboxing for today. This is your host, Urza7. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of Link Click. You know, the Blu-ray version. And I hope you have a wonderful summertime. I hope to catch you later. See ya. Bye-bye now. Ba-bing.